If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, how can you use video to your advantage and follow up, and why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live from Honolulu, Oahu, on a perfect day to talk about sales and business, and a fantastic day to talk about you for HVAC technicians, sales secrets on video number 1000. So I want to give you a tool that your competition probably isn't going to use, and half the people you work with won't use it either, so you get an advantage to close a couple of extra deals per year. And the way this works is you're going to get an objection from your client or your buyer, and they're going to say something like, I want to think about it, I want to talk to other people, which is cool, right? No big deal. It happens. You're a pro. You've seen this. You've heard it before. But you're going to want to do a couple of things to make sure that you have the ability to get this person or these individuals some video. So one, you want to confirm that you have a cell phone number, and two, you want to confirm that you have an email address. And three, you have to get to the point of having options, right? So if you never talk about the money, it's not going to matter. So we're going to make this really easy. You've got a gold package for 15. Sorry, you got a silver package for 15, a gold package for 20, and a platinum package for 25. And so you go over the option. Buyer says, hey, Scott, like it, love it, want some more of it, but we still got to talk to the people. Cool. Hey, Scott, like it, love it, want some more of it, but we just want to talk about this overnight. Great. So you've confirmed email address, you've confirmed phone number. What you're going to do is you are going to leave in whatever way that you do that. Then you're going to go to your vehicle or you're going to go to your office and you're going to say, hey, look, this person's probably going to have some questions. So I'm just going to shoot a recap video. I'm going to go over all this information. Yes, I've already done it before, but I'm going to go over it again. Okay, so you could do this on a cell phone. You pull out a cell phone. Hey, it's Scott. Just want to give you an update. We got the silver, the gold, and the platinum package, and here's what it is, and here's what it is for the monthly payments. Here's all the questions that you had about the products. If you need to get a hold of me, here is my number and my email address. And that is one very straightforward way that you can close a couple of extra deals per year, right? Not pushy, not aggressive, super chill for the people that you meet with. And it puts some thought to them. They're like, oh, you know what? I really didn't want to bother Scott. I really didn't want to have to call him. I really didn't want to have to, I wasn't paying attention through the proposal, right? What you're doing is you're saving the ability for them to not look dumb, for them to not look silly, and you're giving one more point of contact. So if there's like the rule that says it takes 8 times for you to follow up, for you to close a deal, I just gave you one extra one that even if your competition heard it, they're not going to use. Now here's the thing, if you want to be better at sales, you want to be good at what you do, you should absolutely join my email publication, hvactechsecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. It means private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training. I occasionally sell stuff. I got to buy the Ren Spooner Aloha shirts and come out to Hawaii every quarter. So as a heads up, there's multiple different ways for you to do this. I just gave you one. You could grab a cell phone and talk yourself through a cell phone process. There is a app called Loom, L-O-O-M, Loom. And what it is, it's just a screen sharing application. So you can have your proposal up and you can go through your gold package, you could go through your silver package, you could go through your platinum package, and you're gonna do the same exact outline. It doesn't matter really how you put this together. What matters is that you take the time, you have the conversations, and you put in the effort that other people are not, okay? So if you're like, hey Scott, what else do you got? Well, here's the thing, at the end of the day, you could always send the video with all the breakdowns, all of the information, and attach it to something like Panda Sign, DocuSign, Hello Sign, whatever sign you want to use. But it makes it really easy for that person to just look at their phone at 3 o'clock in the morning and go, oh, you know what? I remember talking to Scott. I don't really necessarily want the platinum package. I really don't want the silver package, but boy, that gold one looks good. And oh, I've got everything ready to go. And then to add another layer to this, if you automatically include your finance sources, right? So whatever company that you're using, a lot of them have links that you can get pre-approved. So I want to give you every skill, talent, and capability, every reason to close a deal when other people can't, right? It's this really should be an SOP. This should be a standard operating procedure. You leave your call, you pull out your video, you use your Loom, you break down the options, you shoot over your Hello Sign, DocuSign, Panda Sign, and then shoot over the links for financing. And so when the buyer's like, man, Scott's just making it super, super easy for me to buy from him. It'd be crazy for me to not do this. And all these other knuckleheads, all they tried to do was close the deal while they were here. They didn't take the time to shoot a video. They didn't take a time to send me over a document. They didn't send me the time to send me the easy sources of financing or easy payment plans. Listen, when it comes to sales, when it comes for you closing deals, sometimes it comes down to you putting in the effort that other people won't. If it's going to take you 8 times to freaking follow up, that's 9. If it's going to take you 8 times to follow up, why do you not have 8 ways lined out, sourced out, put together for you to make this super easy? And you know what? Here's the thing. I want to give you one last heads up. You may have to pay for these tools on your own. You may have to decide, like, look, if it's going to be, it's up to me. Loom is going to cost you all of $12 a month. PandaSign, DocuSign, HelloSign's about 30, right? All the other tools that you have are going to be free. And like, here's the thing. If you look for a reason for an objection, I promise you're going to find one. Like, if you can make this happen, sometimes a business will say, well, I don't want you to do this, right? I don't like this. But if you're like, hey, I'm bringing some deals to the table that you didn't have and you don't like this, I would be like, deuces, I'm going to go to a company that just wants me to be a closing machine and allows for me to be a closing machine. And the way that they do that is they allow me to use technology. It is going past 2025, 2026, 2027, 2030 and beyond. Why not follow the technology skills? Wow, it's super bright. Why not follow the technology skills to make your life easier and for you to close more deals? So you're not just like picking up the phone and like, hey, it's Scott, I wanted to see what was going on. No, we've taken it to the next level. You don't even have to do that. When people open these images, they open these videos, you get an email that says, hey, Bob and Betty Smith opened this image. Hey, Bob and Betty Smith opened this package. Hey, they applied for financing. I'm just saying, hey, if there's a way for you to make it easier to close a deal, why are you not doing it? I can't think of a good reason why this doesn't work unless it's illegal, which it's not. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here, just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it. Every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, you know what you got to do. Share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Aloha and mahalo.